changing the door lock switch on a Frigidaire Affinity washer. First thing you do is remove the back. One screw here, one screw here. You know, Phillips screwdriver. And then this just slides right off. And next thing we're gonna do, so we'll come around here. We got this is a Frigidaire Affinity, right? And make sure you check this too, because that might be broken. As you see, this one broke right here, so I had to replace this. This was like $7 for 2 on eBay. And now we're getting to the door lock switch. There's 2 screws. One there, I already took it out. One here. So we remove that guy. And the one below it, which I've already removed. And this thing will just kind of push out. Right there. Then we pull it up. Slide in here, pull it up. As you see, I marked mine. Black, gray, blue. This is the broken one. So we're going to unplug all these. And we got, I got a new one on eBay for $10. As you can see, the difference between them. This is 2 black pieces. I don't know, yours, however it broke, will look different. There's also a spring in here. The spring's missing in this one, the broken one. So it's causing the door not to fully shut. The air sign will say door open all the time, even when it's shut. So now we're going to put it back in. Simple, we just plug everything back in. Blue to blue. Gray to gray. Black to black. And we're going to feed it down like this. It goes like this down there. So you see it only goes one way. And we use 2 hands. You just slide it down like this. Yeah, you kind of use my other hand in here. Try not to drop it, which can be difficult. So what am I missing here? Oh, there we go. There we go. There's a little piece, you gotta get it around. There we go. There we go. Then attach this back up. 2 screws. Phillips screwdriver. There we go. This one down here. There we go. There we go. Now, this is my first test. See if it's gonna work. It's back on. Back in. Screws back in. One over here. One here. And now I'm gonna test it out. So we're good.